In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. All you need to do is open settings and scroll all the way down to access system and updates. Then tap on simple mode and hit enable. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. To switch it off, go into settings again, and this time use this button, exit simple mode at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!